Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to bulk your muscles using an easy method. To start, focus on compound exercises such as squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. These movements engage multiple muscle groups, maximizing your effort. Aim for 3 to 5 sets with 6 to 12 repetitions for each exercise. Remember, consistency is key, and gradually increasing the weight you lift will challenge your muscles to grow stronger and larger. Proper nutrition is crucial for muscle growth. Ensure you're consuming enough protein, roughly 0.7 to 1 gram per pound of your body weight, to support muscle repair and synthesis. Don't forget complex carbohydrates for sustained energy during workouts and healthy fats for hormone production. Eating a slight caloric surplus provides the necessary fuel for your body to build new muscle tissue effectively. Rest and recovery are just as vital as your workouts. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night, as this is when your muscles repair and grow. Consider incorporating active recovery days, like light walking or stretching, to improve blood flow and reduce soreness. Avoiding overtraining is essential. Give your muscles adequate time to rebuild and strengthen, preventing injuries and promoting consistent progress. Consistency is the ultimate secret to sustained muscle growth. Stick to your training and nutrition plan diligently, even on days you don't feel motivated. Staying well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day is also critical for overall health and muscle function. Remember, building muscle is a journey, not a sprint. For more great deals, including that awesome car air freshener, check the description below. Keep pushing forward and enjoy your progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.